Hello guys, today we are going to another exercise on Autocad. So let's start it. Start drawing. Okay. Take a point from with a 150, 150. So I have point here. So the point is located at here. Now first take a circle. C command, enter. Circle with the radius of 55 with a 55 diameter, that is 22.5 27.5 radius, and take another circle with a radius of 90, sorry, with a diameter 90, that means radius of 45, and take another uh, take X line, axis line from same base point at 0 degrees, at 90 degrees, at 60 degrees from starting point, 60 degrees and 120 degrees. X line starting point with the 120 degrees. Okay, these are we needed, and from this point to this point, here we are having another circle at a distance of, from this center point to this another point is 60. That is, take a line, starting point, length 60, at an angle of 60 degrees. So here we hang the line. So take this circle from this end point with a radius of 18, and take another circle, same end point with the radius of 10. Okay, similarly take these two circles in all the directions. So I'm using for polyline for this circle only, because we want to trim this circle. So take array, polar array with this, no, not the, this was not acceptable, I think. I value 4, no, it is not working, so we cannot take this. So what we do now, I'll take mirror, this point, select base point with the mirror object, and similarly same mirror command, object 1, object 2, enter base point, and in this 90 degrees rotation. No. Okay, now here we are having lines, so just I am using trim circle command, circle C, enter, from this base point with the radius of 18, and again circle this base point with the radius of 18, circle, enter, base point, enter. So here we are having 4 circles, and these two, these two, and these two, totally we have 10 circles. Now take a trim, before going to take a trim tool, take a again circle, tan radius, and in the tan radius, here we are having tangential to big circle and tangent to another circle with a radius of 14. Okay, similarly here also circle, tan radius, this one with a 14, enter. And here also circle, TTR, enter, this circle and this circle, enter. Next circle, TTR, enter, this circle and this circle, enter. And again take another circle command with the say similarly, and tan radius, enter, this circle and this circle, the radius is 17. And here also circle, enter, TTR, enter, tangential point 1, tangential point 2 with a radius of 17. So we have drawn all the circles. Now we, by using trim tool, that is TR, enter and enter, we want to remove unwanted and excess portions in all the circles, and remove this, 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 this one, and this one, and this one. Similarly here also this one, and this one. Now so we can observing a main diagram. So take a line command, escape, line, enter, from this point to, that is from this point to here with a width of 8, that is from here we are going to draw another 2 lines with the total distance between 2 lines is 8. So between length between this 2 and upper line is 4, that is from this point to 4 in the up direction, that is 4 in 90 degrees, and here until here. So this diameter is 27.5, this diameter is 45, so it is 17.70. so just I am taking the connecting point only. After that delete this, take an extend tool, EX, enter, extend. So we have extended this one. So now this length of this line is 17.5, and using mirror, line, object, select from base point another base point, no. So we have drawing one part. Similarly take an mirror tool, not mirror, I think it is polyline, poly array. So I am taking array, ARRAY. So array with poly array, select objects, array, select object, enter, with a polar array, a base point with a 6. Okay, so now what we do now, again take trim tool, enter, remove these X lines, unwanted additional X lines. So I am removing all these things. So erase, enter. So now this is our final figure. Now I want to take the dimensions, that is I am going to dimensions, annotations, that is dimensions. Here also there is a dimension shortcuts. So for the command is, for the linear is, not for linear, first I am taking diameter, the dimensions further in terms of radians. So I am radius, take this circle. So I think the text size is very small. So annotations, dimensions, modify, going to text height is 4 or 5 also, and symbols and arrows, this is 3, 4, I think is better. Okay, set OK, set current, close. Okay, this is enough. And similarly take dia radius, select another circle with outer circle. So all the 4 circles are same dimensions, so I am taking like this with a 10 and with 18, and radius of this circle, diameter radius, enter, select object, 27.5, diameter radius, select object, radius is 45. So these are the required dimensions in the for the circles. And I am taking linears with angles. So base point to this point, the length is so it is wrong method. So I am taking another one, and so yeah, this is the correct one. So the starting point same and the ending point also same. Here we have because we having a line. So these are the dimensions, and one more dimensions is there for the linear from this point to at an until this point. So its length is 104. Okay. Okay, these are the required dimensions. So these are the final output figure.